to 17 Quarterdeck Lane. This home overlooks the water and the marsh and is located in the marina area. Home has wood floors and state-of-the-art appliances. Fully furnished and ready for you to move in. In the front you have a swimming pool. You like boating and fishing? This is a dream home. Would make great second or rental property. Thank you for viewing the tour of 17 Quarterdeck Lane. If you have questions or want a personal tour, please call at 843-575-2820 or email me at john@fripprealestate.com. I have all Fripp and Harbor property listings and get information about the islands on my website www.fripprealestate.com.